तेंदुलकर आए हैं नए बैट्समैन और अब पवेलियन एंड से आए हैं मुश्ताक.
Shahibagh Stadium at Peshawar, where as you can see on your screens at the moment,
जोरदार हिट, ऊंची और महफूज चौका. नौजवान मुश्ताक बॉलर ने नौजवान तेंदुलकर बैट्समैन को बॉल की और तेंदुलकर ने कदमों का सही इस्तेमाल किया, बॉल को हाफ वॉली बनाया और एक्स्ट्रा कवर पोजीशन जहां अब्दुल कादिर फील्ड कर रहे हैं उनके सर के ऊपर से बड़े इत्मीनान के साथ चौका लगाया. मुश्ताक, सूरज छुप जाता है और जोरदार हिट, तेंदुलकर की छक्का. नुमाइशी मैच के माहौल में खेला जा रहा है, काफी महसूस हो रही है यहाँ पे पब्लिक, यहाँ के तमाशाई. निहायत शानदार, पहले चौका लगाया तेंदुलकर ने और फिर छक्का. एक और जोरदार हिट और एक और छक्का.
अंदर
16 रन 3 बॉलों पर तेंदुलकर ने. भारत के ये देखिए सरफराज, इस खिलाड़ी के बारे में बहुत कुछ कहा गया, बहुत कुछ लिखा गया और लोगों ने कहा कि ये गावस्कर जूनियर हैं, गावस्कर के जानशीन हैं, तो इन्होंने खासा तफरीह का सामान मुहैया किया. अब्दुल कादिर बैट से सिर्फ 1 रन बनाने में कामयाबी हुई श्रीकांत को इस ओवर में. और अब तेंदुलकर आए हैं और तमाशाइयों की तवक्को कि वो कादिर को भी एक जोरदार हिट लगाएंगे. देखिए उन्हें कामयाबी होती है या नहीं. सिर्फ 1 रन बनाने में कामयाब हुए.
Kadir had just bowled. When he finished his over, he came and told you something. He said something to you.
Yeah, he told me that मैं नहीं मारने दूंगा ऐसा.
He said.
Yeah, sir. मैंने कहा आपको कैसे मारूंगा, आपको ऐसे इतने अच्छे बॉलर हैं.
Abdul Qadir going to bowl to Sachin Tendulkar. That's up in the air, dropping in no man's land. Akram Raza, the substitute fielder in place of Imran. Tendulkar now 21. This one's hit away to long on, and that's a 6.
This is Tendulkar's third 6, I think, isn't it?
It's Tendulkar's third 6. Quite right, Shuja.
I don't think I've seen Sunil Gavaskar ever
No,
playing this.
exactly. Let's have a look at this sixer again. Using his feet, going out, over long on, 6 runs.
And he improvised, and this is again he came over 2-3 steps ahead just to make it the sort of volley or half volley. Again, look at it.
That's another one, is it? Yes, it is. Another 6.
So it was not against Mushtaq alone. Well, here is the juggler, the Pakistan's wizard bowler, and he has hit him exactly the same way he has hit sixers against Mushtaq. Well, these 2 sixers, they're exactly the same as you can see.
Is that another one?
This is the third.
Yes, it is. And Shrikant is absolutely delighted. He would have liked to have hit them himself.
Shrikant is supposed to be a very fast batsman, but the way this young batsman is batting, Tendulkar, he's surprised almost everyone. This is the 6th sixer.
It's 19 runs in 4 deliveries. They've got 19 of them already. It's Abdul Qadir now to Tendulkar. And that one's going towards long on, and that's 4 more. And Tendulkar has shown today that he can hit as well as he can defend. And that, I think, is the basic difference between him and Gavaskar in the initial stages, because Gavaskar wasn't a natural stroke player.
It's sixers the way this boy, youngster, it's sixers.
And there it is again, it's up in the air, it could be caught. It's dropped. 2 more runs. Wasim Akram drops that catch, and they're going for a third, and there should be... Oh, no, he's not. He's just home. Good effort by Salim Yusuf, so there's excitement in the end. In for a very exciting finish. There it is again.
Yes.
Up in the air, that's the dropped catch by Wasim
It
Akram.
was not a difficult catch. I mean, Wasim Akram was right under the ball, but then I think at the 11th hour, probably his foot slipped.
50 has come in very quick time for Tendulkar. In fact, he's got
6 sixers, and I think 2 fours.
Akram to Tendulkar, 5 sixes.
5 sixes.
Full
yes.
toss, and that one's pulled away towards deep mid-on. They get 1. And they're going through for an overthrow. And he's home. The wicket has to be pulled out because the bails were off.
Yes.
Wasim Akram did exactly that. It was just a bit late. And the crowd thoroughly enjoyed it. There's the replay of that attempted run out. The ball had hit the bails, are off, and they're going through for another run. Wasim Akram picks the ball up, comes charging in, and he pulls the stump out, but Srikanth is home.
By that time, Srikanth was just...
The wicket has to be pulled out because the bails were off.
Yes.
Wasim Akram did exactly that. It was just a bit late.